Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Akashdeep Kaur. So hope you all doing well. So today I'm gonna share with you guys 3 simple steps to get clean, clear, soft and glowy skin. So most often I get questions about my soft and glowy skin. So today I'm gonna share the routine how to achieve that glow. So yeah, I will not keep this video too long by keep on so yeah, if you find this video helpful and useful, do not forget to give this video thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are visiting my channel first time and you have not subscribed yet, then take a few seconds to get subscription and hit that notification button as well. So let's get started. So yeah, the routine I'm gonna share with you guys, the 3 steps is called CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. The first step we have is cleansing. In cleansing we usually wash our faces. Currently I am using this VLCC's anti tan skin lightening face wash. So it is the good thing, it is paraben free and it has mulberry extracts and small granules which when you apply your face and massage really exfoliates your skin and you feel so light, the impurities and tan get off. So it is good फेस वॉश. इसके अलावा आई ऑल्सो यूज़ जॉय फेस वॉशेज़, दे आर अमेजिंग एंड अफोर्डेबल. सो या अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, सो आई हैव नॉट एनी बैकअप ऑफ दैट जॉय फेस वॉशेज़ एंड लोकल मार्केट से भी मैं अवॉइड ही करती हूँ. एंड मेरे पास ये पड़ा था टू ट्राई एंड I tried it and it is really effective. LCC का अगर आपको acne prone और oily skin है, you can also go for neem face wash, that is also really good. So yeah, more often I go for double cleansing. Reason behind that is to make ensure that there is no impurities, no dust, no unwanted particular left on your face. I go for dry cleansing, like I use this aloe vera gel. Also go for this Garnier micellar water or just simply spray some rose water and then with the cotton pad you can cleanse your face. I do is I take this much amount of aloe vera gel on my wet face and I apply it. जब मैं कभी स्किन केयर फॉलो करना होता है या फिर फॉर मेकअप और कुछ टाइम गैप होता है बिटवीन योर दैट स्किन केयर एंड फेस वॉश, तो आई गो फॉर डबल क्लिनजिंग. अगर थोड़ा बहुत कुछ डस्ट या कुछ ऑयल अगर आ भी गया है आपके फेस पे, टू गेट रिड ऑफ दैट आई रियली लव दिस पतंजलि एलोवेरा जेल. आई थिंक इट इज़ देयर द ओनली प्रोडक्ट आई रियली लाइक. मुझे इसके इंस्टेंटली रिजल्ट मिलते हैं व्हेन एवर आई गो फॉर दिस एलोवेरा जेल. मेरी स्किन टोन जो है वो इम्प्रूव हो जाती है. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन वॉश योर फेस विद क्लीन वाटर. और व्हाट आई विल डू, I can't just wash my face right here, so I sprinkled some rose water and with the help of cotton pad I am gonna remove. As you can see मेरी skin बहुत ही अच्छे से clean हो गई है. Talking about benefits of cleansing, as you know, it removes all the unwanted particulates from your face and you get clean and clear glow. Into next step, that is toning. Most of us just wash our faces and apply a moisturizer or whatever you do and हो गया. But no, there is another step also which is really effective and a god gift for the acne prone or oily skin persons. So yeah, even for the youthful skin, if you want कि आपकी स्किन लॉन्गर टाइम तक यंग रहे, रिंकल्स ना हो, फाइन लाइंस ना हो, पोर्स मिनिमाइज हो जाएं एंड टू गेट क्लीन एंड स्मूथ टेक्सचर ऑन योर फेस, you need toning. And for toner I use this Biotique Bio Cucumber toner. I swear on this product, it is so good, so effective. And few drops of it on a cotton and then I am applying it all over my face in dabbing motion. जो टोनर्स होते हैं they helps in maintaining your pH balance of the skin, and also जो हमारे पोर्स होते हैं, ओपन पोर्स होते हैं, उन्हें मिनिमाइज करने में ये हेल्प करता है. इन दिस वे इट मेक्स योर स्किन यूथफुल. आपके रिंकल्स कम हो जाते हैं, फाइन लाइंस कम हो जाती है. मिनिमाइज्ड पोर साइज, आपको ऑयलिंग प्रॉब्लम कम होती है. आपके जो पोर्स हैं उनमें से अच्छे से ऑयल क्लींस हो जाता है. आपको पिंपल प्रॉब्लम कम होती है. एंड यस, सो दिस इज टोनर. सो after toner I will leave my face for some seconds to get this set on my face अच्छे से. Meanwhile I will apply this Good Vibes Coffee Lip Balm. This lip balm is really good. With its fragrance you can tell it's all ingredients. It smells like coffee, chocolate, desi ghee, coconut oil. My lips really hydrated for longer time and gave them fuller look as well. So yeah, अपना टोनर जो है वो अच्छे से सेट हो गया है. Moving to the next step. Question to me is from where you
get that glow. The reason
behind that glow comes from here. This is Good Vibes. This is Good Vibes Almond Facial Oil. So it is a brightening oil basically. I really have that scary dark circles. I have really tried a lot on many things to get rid of them, but always failed. So this time I used this facial oil on my under eyes as well, and I have really seen a change. It has really blurred out my dark circles. अभी भी थोड़े से हैं, and that is because of my lifestyle. I keep using phone for longer and longer hours. So hopefully I will get rid of that also soon. The day I have purchased this serum, I can't get over it. Few drops on my under eyes. Massage it on all over my face. And also patting the serum on my under eyes. So you can see that glow. हमारा जो स्किन केयर है वो कंप्लीट होता है. So you can see the skin looks really clean and soft. तो हो गई है, and soft and glowy. And another step I usually follow if I do this skincare routine in the morning and I have to go out, I do apply this Good Vibes sunscreen SPF 50 PA+++. If you are doing this routine in the evening or night time, then no need to apply this. That's why I have excluded this product out of the list for you. So this is it for today. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.